Stevenson Ranch, California. We just restored a bunch of walk through this, and I'll show you what we did here. So we restored a bunch of concrete. We sealed some pilasters, but we restored all of this concrete here on the floor. And the reason you see a little bit of blue haze in here is because I wanted to pick up the color of the barbecue island, and I'll show you the barbecue island right now. But this was a fun project. We did a little bit of planning, and we restored all of the sprinkler heads and stuff here. And this was the eye catcher here. We did a polish finish on this concrete island, and let's take a walk through it. As we did the pool deck here, we did all of the planting here, and we did all of the tiles here around the perimeter. We polished that countertop, and then as we take a walk through here, we did all of the planting, and then this here we did all of the rock here. It was so bare and ugly, and then we ended up putting some rock veneer up, real rock, and we just dressed this whole thing up just so it's got two spillways on it. And then this was pretty cool because we also did the slide. We did the tile, and there's a spillway on the slide, and so we did all of the tile here, and we sealed all of this floor. And then as I come across here, you're gonna see that the whole pool deck is completely done. And this is the gorgeous view of the backyard. The view out on the back. We also trimmed up the palms, and we did all of this work right here. And this right here, this is Tiffany. And let me get up there closer and let's talk. Tiffany. So we wrapped up this project today, and we did pretty much everything you requested. What are you thinking of the work? And first and foremost, let me thank you. I'm so blessed and honored to have done this project for you. And I really feel that you're just amazing, and I thank you for giving us the opportunity to come. I told you were going to share a testimonial, and yet here it is. So what do you think of all of the work?
Well, first off, Mike, thank you so much for all the hard work of you and your crew. And this has been a pretty painless process, and the final product is absolutely gorgeous. It far exceeds what I was expecting. I am absolutely delighted with how this turned out. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. And again, I'm so blessed and honored to have done this work for you. And we just thank you. We thank you in advance for all of the work that you've given us here. And let's hope that the work keeps coming in this community. So here, a hug. Thank you. God bless you. And you have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Mike.